In this guide, we will discuss how to share the loss of a beloved pet on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to begin the process. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to express your feelings. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event to mark this significant moment. 4. Choose Family to acknowledge the bond with your pet. 5. Select Loss of a Loved One to honor the memory of your pet. 6. Enter the name of your beloved pet and include the date of their passing. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to move forward. 8. Use the audience selector to decide who you want to share this heartfelt news with, whether it's close friends, family, or a select group. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to share the news of your loss with your Facebook connections, offering a space for support and remembrance. By following these steps, you can express your grief and cherished memories of your pet within your Facebook community. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in explaining how to post about the loss of a loved one pet on Facebook. Share your feelings and honor the life of your pet as you navigate through this difficult time.